So this is the piece that we're going to be working on replacing, is the O-rings that are located underneath that hand primer there. And basically what's happening is it is leaking. So we're gonna replace the O-rings and see if it stops the leak. Alright, so now that we got all 3 screws pulled, the back one you gotta be careful of because it does have the ground wire going through it. There's the spring underneath. So there's an O-ring here at the base that we're going to replace. And then on the inside of that push. This is the replacement seal kit that we got. It even comes with a aluminum screw there. And these are the main ones that we're concerned about here. It's these ones, and then the one that goes under here. So these you want to pay attention to the direction that they go. So like this one has the edge on the top. The other one has the edge on the bottom. You want to make sure that you put them in the same way that you take them out. Alright, so there's the bottom one off. Then you want to make sure you get the angle right on it as you put it in the channel. Alright, so now that we got the bottom one done, we can do the top one. There we go. Top one's all good. And this is the little ring that goes on the base. Now that we got that, we can slide this back on here. This goes back over here. And put the primer back down on here. just bleed the excess air out. We already got solid fuel up here. Alright. And that is how you replace the O-rings on the hand primer. I hope you guys enjoyed this short little quick video on how to do that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in future videos. See ya.